Good day mga construct at nandito ulit tayo para magbahagi ng panibagong construction tips. Kaya kung makikita nyo, meron tayo ngayong bagong apply na waterproofing. Ayan. So hanggat maaari, during application ng waterproofing, kailangan nyong ensure na tapos na yung curing period ng ating mortar or yung ating plaster mixture sa ating walls. Then hanggat maaari, bago kayo mag-apply ng panibagong layer ng waterproofing, kailangan is masunod yung setting time na at least 4 hours upon application ng previous layer ng ating waterproofing. So napaka-importante na nasusunod natin yung tamang setting time at duration bago tayo mag-apply ng panibagong layer ng waterproofing. And lastly, hanggat maaari is 2 to 3 layers ang ating application ng waterproofing para sa ating walls. At kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag mo kakalimutan mag-like, mag-follow, mag-subscribe, at pwede ka ring mag-komento dito sa ating comment section kung meron kang nais matutunan at kung gusto mong matuto ng mas maraming construction tips. So this is Engineer Barlan, your only ka-construct.